Ethical problems in technology use among children and teenagers is growing and is a rapid, relevant issue that is occurring at home and in schools. Some of the issues related to ethics among the use of technology with children and teenagers are online overexposure, hurtful content, harmful content being shown to these children, and children acting and posting things online without thinking about the consequences. Why you should care about this is because it could be affecting your own child, it could be affecting a child you know, or it could even be affecting you. It could be happening to you. This is not just a problem that's occurring with children and teenagers, even though it is really relevant to them and the numbers are high, but adults are experiencing these issues as well. And so everyone should be concerned and everyone should want to join the cause for change. Some of the causes of these ethical issues, online overexposure, inappropriate behavior, unkind words being said and exchanged online, are the lack of online practice and training for starters. There's also a lack of monitoring or limits being set by adults or parents. There's also ineffective use of teachable or learning moments. So many opportunities pass where students can learn and grow from, where parents or teachers aren't or don't have the time to teach students and to have them grow from it. What can we do about this? Well, how can we make a change? What's the point of this video? Well, there are some possible solutions that I'm going to tell you about today. One of the most important things that you can do is advocate for growth, learning moments, teachable moments, and just advocate for there to be some sort of teaching about this in schools and at home. If you're a parent, you can educate yourself on the matter so that you can relay what you know to your children and you could teach them the best you can. Another thing that you can do is you can set limits. You can block harmful sites. There are tons of websites, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, that allow you to set time limits, filters on what content children are seeing. You can even put it into kids mode, which is a great idea. Another thing you can do is you can use teachable moments and practice often to show the consequences of online behavior among children. This can be done by simply asking your child, hey, at the dinner table, hey, did anything happen online today, or how was your day? And then just talking through what they did online or what they experienced and really having them learn and grow from that. The best thing you could probably do is educate yourself, get out there, read something like this graphic to teach yourself about the issues that exist, to teach yourself about what causes them and how to prevent them. And really, by educating yourself, that's the first step in educating and changing a student's experience or a student's problems in this issue.